Okay, good afternoon everyone. As you know, my name is Rafiif, and first of all, I want to say sorry because I didn't do presentation because I have problems in my headset, and yeah, I just want to tell the story about my tour in Australia. And yeah, in day one, I make a game story, and I group with Alpha and Fino, and they make the game for me because I was asleep there. I'm so tired with the flight. I don't sleep in the flight. Yeah, thank you Fino and Alpha. What's the second? Oh yeah. And the second day, I made music with the computer, and it was fun because I and in the three I flew a drone with coding, and it was such a cool experience because I haven't never fly a drone before, and this is my first time, and it's using a code like a Python. And the next day, I think we flew in Sydney. In day 4. Yeah, in day 4 we flew in Sydney, and I think we made a paint. Graffiti. Oh yeah, graffiti, and yeah, my painting was so sad, and yeah. And day 5 I went to Taronga Zoo with my friends, and I saw a lot of animals there, like endemic animals like kangaroo and koala. And the koala is so cute, he sleep, and I went there, and the next day, day 6, I went to UTS, University of Technology Sydney, if I remember. Yeah, it was a cool university, and I got some souvenir from there. They give me and it's And at day 7, I think that's the last day we in Sydney. Sunboarding. Oh yeah, we got sunboarding and opera house. We went to opera house, and I think that's the coolest experience I've ever did. And yeah, and then in day 8 I flew back to Jakarta. Yeah, I think it's in day 8 I flew back to Jakarta, and then I sleep first in Jakarta because the flight was too long and there is no plane in the night. And we went back there to Semarang in the morning. I think it's Tuesday morning, if I'm not wrong, at 7, and that was a cool experience.